Hello friends, this is April Harris Jackson at Graceful Aging Legal Services, and today I want to address something that you may not know if you've never had to deal with it, and that is what happens to real property when someone dies. And the answer is that it belongs to their heirs or their beneficiaries under their will. Generally, real estate does not go through a will or go through probate unless the person who wrote the will, the person who has passed, was very intentional about including it in their probate estate and making their personal representative or their executor responsible for managing that property. So usually when someone dies, their real estate just automatically passes at the point of death to their heirs. So if my parents have real estate and my last surviving parent passes, that immediately comes to me and my brother. Now, of course, that property now belongs to two people instead of one, and you need to kind of clear things up. You have to decide what you want to do with it. Do you want to sell the property? Do you want to keep the property? What rights does each person who now owns the property have? How do you make sure that it is public record of who owns the property? How do you deal with property taxes and things like that when there's not really a pool of money because everything's in probate? Or maybe there were no assets other than the real estate. So those are all things that it's really helpful to have an attorney helping you go through probate or otherwise helping you with the transfer of those assets to help you kind of get through that process. They'll often work with a title company to make sure that everything passes smoothly, especially if you're planning to sell the property. And oftentimes the real estate is not the only thing that you're working on. So if you have any questions about that, we would love to hear from you. Again, this is just kind of a one-off. We will be covering estate planning more in other chapters and probate processes, other videos. but if you have any questions just about this particular topic, feel free to email us at hello@galsnashville.com, leave a comment below, or check us out on our website at www.galsnashville.com. Okay, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you all tomorrow. Thank you.